Tomb of the Other filled with Stone Age human bones. Why make it a mystery? In Scotland, on South Ronaldsay in the Orkney Island, it was discovered in a home improvement project. They found a tomb that approximates an age of 5,000 years, that contains other bones, but when they continued to dig, they found that there were human bones. Bones have a peculiarity. The bones were very well preserved, and they belong to different tribes and time. What do we believe? We have two hypotheses. One of them is that the tomb where the bones were must have some chemical element that allow the preservation of the bones. The second assumption is aimed to the place was a sacred place, in where many tribes used this location for 5,000 years approximately. Science found that in the tombs exists a mix of bones of genders and age groups including babies. The tomb had different divisions suggesting that they were used by different generations. The science suggests the tomb was not entirely sealed, and the others with the time can use it too. This is a reason because they found bones of the others in the tomb. Another explanation is that the bones could be found to perform rituals. This is different revelations about this project.